Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're diving into plant care 101 essential tips every beginner plant owner should know. So, let's get started. The first step towards successful plant care is choosing the right plant. Beginners should start with low-maintenance plants like snake plants, pothos, or spider plants. These plants are more forgiving and can adapt to a variety of conditions. One of the most important factors for plant health is light. Most houseplants thrive in bright, indirect light. Place your plants near windows where they can get plenty of natural light, but avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch their leaves. Watering can be tricky, but a good rule of thumb is to let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. Overwatering is a common mistake. Ensure your pot has drainage holes to prevent water from sitting at the bottom. Using the right soil mix is crucial. Most houseplants do well in a good quality potting mix that has good drainage. For succulents and cacti, opt for a specific cactus mix that provides better drainage. Fertilizing your plants gives them the nutrients they need to grow. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4-6 weeks during the growing season. Be careful not to over-fertilize, as this can harm your plants. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, problems arise. Yellow leaves usually indicate overwatering, while brown tips can be a sign of underwatering or low humidity. Pests like spider mites and aphids can be treated with insecticidal soap. A few quick tips before we wrap up. 1. Rotate your plants regularly to ensure even growth. 2. Dust the leaves occasionally to keep them clean and healthy. 3. Repot your plants when they outgrow their current pot. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips. Comment below with any questions and happy planting.